happen? You bet it can. And in fact, some of you today might be in that very situation. It's easy for financial salespeople to show you the best possible results, and then, just to be fair, show you some moderate losses on those illustrations. I think every financial professional should be required to show their prospective clients what the worst result could be for the clients they manage. Let me ask you, if you were thinking about working with a financial planner and you found out they had lost 50% of a client's retirement funds, would you want to work with them? Now that I brought it up, you're probably thinking that very same question about me. Have I lost any of my clients' money? The answer is a 100% positive no. Not only does not a single penny of my compensation come out of your money, but not a single penny of your money can ever be lost due to market declines. 100% of your money will start to work for you day one, and it will never go backwards due to market conditions. My Safe Money book and Safe Money Information Kit will tell you all about it. Just call 844-676-SAFE. That's 844-676-7233. Today we have talked about the insane things you can do with your retirement. One is taking risk like you did when you were younger, and the other is believing hypothetical illustrated results from your broker. Why do they call it a hypothetical illustration? Because it is not real. The one thing all hypothetical illustrations have in common is that none of them are true, yet for some reason, I guess it's human nature, people want to believe them. You want to believe that the 12% growth that some financial professional illustrates, it will happen. Like I said before, here's what you should do. Ask your broker to make a report of every client he has and show you how much money he has made or lost for those clients. If you take all of his clients and he averaged at least 5% growth after deducting all fees for the last 10 years, then they are a keeper. Chances are that after fees, commission, and market losses, there would not be a report he would want to provide you. Is it your broker's fault he can't provide your retirement money the growth he illustrates for you? In some ways, not really. The types of products he sells take fees and commissions directly out of your money. He is also not allowed in most cases to even offer the products that I work with because they provide too many benefits and guarantees and don't provide ongoing year after year commissions even if you lose your money. Most importantly, and probably the biggest reason it is not his fault for failing to provide you with the results you want, is because he is trying to make a retirement plan that is invested in risky investments do something that he has no control over. Burton Malkiel, a Princeton University professor of economics and author of A Random Walk Down Wall Street, wrote, "The sad truth is that there are only three kinds of financial prognosticators. Those who don't know they don't know, and those who know they don't know and get paid bucks to pretend they know." You should know that your financial professional has no clue what is going to happen to your money when he puts it at risk. Don't let him pretend he does. The only thing that is certain is that he will make commissions even if you lose money. Call us now for an honest evaluation of your situation and let us show you how to take the "I don't know" out of your retirement.